gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's razor review is the Timor Butterfly or Twist to Open double-edged safety razor. Here's the package it comes in, and it's made by Gießen and Forsthoff in Solingen, Germany. It says so on the back of the box. Let's open it up. Unboxing is half the fun of getting something. Remove it from the package. Remove it from the little cardboard holder. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a instruction sheet. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? It's in German, so you might need Google Translate or a German friend to help you translate this. Not sure what that says. And it also includes one Timor blade. Let's remove that. Take a look at it. Here we go. On the blade it says Timor, Solingen, Germany, and rust-free, meaning it won't rust, stainless steel. We have this razor in a polished gold finish, a polished silver finish, and a matte silver finish. I'll be using the gold just because it's cool looking and I haven't shaved with a gold razor in quite some time. Let's check it out. The handle itself, nice checkered knurling on the handle. It's got vertical lines at the bottom, a smooth band at the bottom, in between the hatching and the vertical lines, and then a smooth tapered band here that goes up toward the head. To open it, all you do, the most simplistic method of blade loading and unloading, just spin the dial at the bottom. The head opens up just like that, and you drop your blade in right over the slot like so, and then tighten it back down. You're ready to rock and roll with your shave. There is a slight bit of overhang on the edges here, not much. Nothing to worry about. And the reveal is perfect. It's rounded at the bottom and polished, and then no markings on the underside. No markings there. So I'm just guessing that this will be a mild shaver. Why? Because it looks like it is. And it says so on the box, gentle shaver. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 2.2 ounces or 62 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.4 inches or 88 millimeters. So it's a good sized razor, not overly large, more of a small to medium sized razor. Should be great for everyday shaving. And as I said, very easy to load and unload the blade. Would make a great travel razor for the size of it, or great for home use as well. If you want to pick up any of these razors, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there, or go to ShaveNation.com, enter Timor, T-I-M-O-R in the box, and they'll pop right up. The other players in the game, I will use the professional size Proraso shaving cream. This is 500 milliliters of shaving cream, so this should last you quite some time. Great for professional use, barbershop use, that type thing. And we will lather it up in the Shave Nation bowl right here, the ceramic lather bowl with a lather spot in the bottom, and then the Proraso by Omega Boar Brush. Very reasonably priced, excellent everyday shaving brush, great for hard soaps, but also works on shaving creams as well. And mine's kind of weather beaten, you can see. It's game used for many years. When you first buy it, it doesn't look like this. They stand straight up, but this has been used quite a few times, so it spreads out a little bit and retains the moisture better the more you use it. We'll finish up with the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum block, and then along the same lines, the Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Aftershave Balm, which lines right up with the shaving cream. This tingles when you put it on and has a great scent, menthol and eucalyptus. I think there's only one thing missing. I'm pretty smooth here, baby smooth to be exact. I think I need some beardage. Let me go get some beardage. I'll be right back. That's more like it. A little beardage. See what this razor can do. The gold Timor Butterfly razor, mild shaving razor. Here's the blade. Remove it from the paper. It says Timor on both sides. Just drop it right over the slot like so. Tighten it down. Very simple. All right, let's see if we can mix a lather real quick. Shave Nation lather bowl. It's ceramic. We're going to warm it up under the hot water. Shaving cream I'll use is the Proraso Mega-Tube. If you own a barbershop, we sell these, the Mega-Tube and the Aftershaves in the giant size. This is 500 milliliter. We have the aftershaves in, I think it's 400 milliliter, really big bottles. I'll remove the cap off this, and I'm just going to squirt a little bit right down into the bottom of the bowl, just like that. Set that off to the side. Here is the Proraso Mega-Tube Boar Brush. This is really great on harder soaps, but we're going to use it on this soft shaving cream and see how it works out. I think it'll still mix a pretty good lather. I'm going to soak this in my marble cup right here. Just saturate the bristles. It's a boar brush. It's a little bit scratchy. It's a little bit sturdy. It's got a strong loft to it, so it doesn't flop over. And if you like that in a brush, which I do, I don't like when the brushes splay out and flop over. That's what it looks like when it's saturated. Let's go right in here. See if we can mix a lather. Just push the tips down into the bottom, right into that lather spot, and swirl in a circular motion. This is the menthol and eucalyptus shaving cream. It has a wonderful scent. It's a great wake-up call in the morning. And when you put it on, when you apply it to your face, it tingles. So that's very refreshing. The choice of many professional barbers and home shavers, home wet shavers. You can see lots of lather. No problem with this brush and this bowl mixing up copious amounts of lather. Excellent. Okay, we'll set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. It's usually best to shave after a shower, but if you can't, get some hot water from the sink, soften and hydrate your beard. All right, here we go. Let's lather up. Plenty of lather right there. Start on the right side and just work your way across. Painting motion, circular, combination. Just cover all the areas you intend to shave. Under the mustache. See what I mean? It doesn't splay out. It just stands straight up. It's got a sturdy loft to it. Drive it into the beard, soften, hydrate the whiskers. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. It comes in these three different colors: the polished silver finish, the matte silver finish, and the polished gold finish. All right, here we go. The Timor safety razor. I'll be using the gold. Let's warm it up under the hot water. Just temper the razor. Find our angle here, work our way down. I think it will be a mild shaving razor because it says so on the box, mild shaver. And I had a pretty heavy beard growth, 3 days worth of beard growth. So it'll take a little doing to get through, but very smooth, very nice. Just a few strokes. The Timor blade is doing well. One side is filled. We'll flip it over right down the neckline. Feels good in the hand, easy to grip. Nice knurling on the handle. Both sides are filled. Let's rinse that. Rinses out easily. Left side, find your angle. As far as the angle, I like to think of it as where the top cap and the blade and the base plate all come together. That's what you look for. Try to find that spot. Flip it over. Very good. Filled up again. Let's rinse that. Now the mustache, scoop right under the nose. Nice compact head, very easy to get under there. Very good. Okay, let's rinse that. First pass complete. If you're smooth enough, you could stop right here. But I'll do a quick rinse and we'll do one more. Let's grab our brush and bowl and we'll relather for a second pass. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time. Clear the runways again. All right, first pass was with the grain from north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. Very smooth shaving. You can whip this razor about, no problem. And again, one of those razors where you feel like you can't cut yourself with it. Very easy to shave with. With the Timor blade, a great combination. Rinse that. Now against the grain on the neck. Fantastic. Rinse that. Across the mustache. Just a little cleanup around the lips. All right, very good. Let's rinse that. Okay, second pass. If you're smooth, you're good. I'm super smooth, but let's go against the grain on the cheeks. Get that super baby smooth glass-like finish. Just a little bit right here. And the lather, plenty of lather, nice and thick. Goes on easy, smells fantastic. We'll just ride the cap. Skim the skin. Stretch the skin, find that rounded portion, move it upward. Nothing happens here, but when you tilt that handle slightly up, it'll catch and just skim. This gets you baby smooth right here. The other side, stretching the skin a little bit. Fantastic. Super smooth. Excellent shave. All right, a final rinse with cold water. Woo, baby. And while your face is still damp, let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Seal off any small nicks. Give you some feedback on your shave. You might get a little bit of stinging, but no stinging on this one. Not with this Timor razor, a mild shaving razor. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. A couple passes with the menthol and eucalyptus shaving cream, and then you apply cold water. It feels really good. Nice wake-up call for sure. All right, we'll stay with Proraso, the menthol and eucalyptus aftershave balm. This is their newest formula. Old-fashioned bottle right here. Looks like I got a little too much, but we'll work it in. Doesn't take much. Just massage that into the skin, neck, and do the forehead as well. As long as you don't break out. If you break out, then refrain from hitting the forehead with it. Whew, also nice and cool. Feels great. You can just air dry or take your barber towel and just fold it in half and do it this way. That feels really good. Very refreshing. I did put a little too much on, but it will dry in and give me some protection throughout the day. It's getting cold out. Winter is when you want to use a balm. Final look at the razor. The Timor twist to open or butterfly style safety razor. Excellent shaving razor. Great for everyday use for sure. And if you prefer a mild shaving razor, mild to medium, this will be great for you. Very simplistic, easy to load the blade. Just unscrew the handle, drop a blade in, tighten it back down, no problem. Nice knurling on the handle, 2.2 ounces or 62 grams, 3.4 inches long or 88 millimeters. Good size razor, very comfortable. Make a good travel razor or fantastic for home use too. And again, available in this polished gold, polished silver, and a matte silver finish. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. And if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more and you can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.